SMK Elopura 2 is located at WDT 136 Pejabat Pos Rumah Persekutuan, 90,000 Sandakan, Sabah. Our school aims to achieve excellence in the Sandakan district. Let's go pray, guys. Shoes are everywhere!
I know, right?
2 hours later.
You didn't even wear shoes properly.
There's not even a single chair for us to see.
I know, and the floors are so dirty, we can't even sit on the ground.
I hear your problem, and I have a solution for you.
What kind of solution?
Just come and follow me.
And this is Luxrec.
Reduce students' discomfort while wearing shoes. The scattered state of the surau which causes students to feel uncomfortable when wearing shoes. Less place to sit. There is no place to sit which make it difficult for students to wear shoes. Avoid smelly and messy shoes. Too many scattered shoes which causes of the surau area to be smell unpleasant.
Here are some overall sketches that we came up with, but we didn't end up choosing these sketches because the first sketch of the rack is too small and too basic. As the second sketch, the rack is too big, it will take up too much space.
So this is our final sketch. It is 45 centimeters tall. On the top shelf is where people can sit. We use egg cartons, cotton balls, and fabric cloth. On the middle of the shelf, we use a PVC pipe to straighten our rack. As for the rack board, we use mounting board and bunch of recycled paper. We also use shuttlecock box on both sides with a small box attached to it filled with a scented sachet.
The advantages of our product would be it is eco-friendly for users, it is easy to move around, usage of waste and reused materials, a large storage space to allow users to store more shoes.
So here's the list of what we're going to use for our product. The material seems a lot, but it only costs us 32 ringgit and 19 cents because majority of the materials can be found at home.